Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here. This is a before and after tune-up report for Eddie in South Carolina on your RCI-2950dx6. This monster amp board on the bottom. I'm going to suspect this probably came from my good friend Chris out there at Superior CB. He does a lot of these amp boards. So just going to show you what it's doing here right now. Chris does an amazing job on them amp boards. 250 watt slug. AM, hello, 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 hello. Basically no carrier swinging to 50 watts. Peak power, 1000 watt slug, hello, 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 hello. 550. Roll it all the way up. That's keying about 35. Hello, 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 hello. Going to 100 peak. 1000 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. It's 600. So doing some good peak numbers there. I like that. Really do. We're going to go in here and see what we can do, what we can't do, and we'll be back.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Alright, we got this monster all figured up here, ready to go. Let me show you what we've got here. Again, great job on the amp section there. Chris at Superior. Another rocking setup. 500 watt slug. Keying just about nothing all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Get your keying about 100. That's all I'd want to go with this amp section. Show you an average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. Look at there. 320 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. Over 600 PEP. Wow. All right, Ryan, we're going to get this thing out to you, but I appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get Truckerized today.